Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share another lunchbox episode. It is under $1 budget lunchbox menu ideas. Aren't you guys curious? Please watch it until the end. Let's get cooking. The first menu is stir-fried water spinach. First up, we need a bunch of water spinach / morning glory. Clean the water spinach and coat it with a 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice 1 red chili. Cut squares 1 tomato. Now, heat the cooking oil in a pan. Saute garlic and red chili until fragrant. Add the tomato and water spinach, stir it and then close the lid. Meanwhile, prepare a boiling water. Pour the boiling water into sautéed water spinach. Add 1 teaspoon sweet soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. And add salt, pepper, broth powder, and sugar to taste. Stir it well and set aside. Next, we are going to make sunny side up eggs with sauces. Thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice 3 shallots. Thinly slice 1 red chili. For the sauce's ingredients, we need 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Last, add 50 milliliters of water. Mix it well and set aside. Heat the cooking oil in a pan. Fry 2 eggs sunny side up. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Set aside. Now, saute shallots and garlic until fragrant. Add the chopped red chili. Then, add the sauce mixture. Add the sunny side up eggs into sauces. Stir it for a while, then add a pinch of pepper and salt. And a bit of stock powder. Stir it until mixed well and the sauce seeps in. Next up, we are going to make sauteed tofu basil. And we need to cut 2 pieces of tofu as you like. Then fry the tofu until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Now, slice lengthwise a quarter onion. Cut slanted 1 green chili. Wedge slice 1 tomato. Thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic and 3 shallots. Crush them finely. Add 1 red chili. Continue to crush until it finely crushed. After that, saute the grounded spice with hot cooking oil. Put an onion and green chili, continue saute them. Add 100 milliliters of water. Add 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. Let it boil. Add the fried tofu in. Stir until it gets mixed well. Add sliced tomato and 1 handful Indonesian basil. Now it's done. Let's pack it. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below and see you on the next cooking videos. Thank you.